Now, what are the page you design for Facebook? I need by page likes and followers. I need page like and followers. My Facebook page, no images, no videos. How can I engage? How I can engage? That is called in a Facebook page. We can give the organized idea is called. If you are select by other page videos, you can upload by your page also. That is mean by the option name is called watch party. So my page is always remember guys, what are the your getting watch party? The relevant your page videos are important. So my page is Tollywood News. I can promote only for Tollywood News. I can promote only for Tollywood News. Here, add video. These are all your page videos. But I'm going to wait. Comedy Telugu videos. Here. Add Q. What are the comedy videos are there? So you can use this. The video, how many minutes required? 3 minutes. So always you can select by the. So they are all uploading a lot of videos are there. Depending on page, you can upload by here. But the videos are how many minutes required? Compulsory 3 minutes. So right now I only for engage purpose now. So how many minutes required? I can select it. This is not for your earning. This is only for your page engagement. So this will be no strike for your page. Why? Because I'm using for other page videos on your particular page. So select it. So I am tagging for this people like my page purpose. So yeah, how many videos I'm adding for total? 13 videos. Here, what is that? This all will be here. You can add any symbols. So here, insert any symbol will be here. Or love symbol, any kind of things. So this time use small symbols here, which is your comfortable zone. You can add it. So just I'm adding for love and I and the watching symbols. Now click for which one? You can do by post. Here, Facebook gives a certain option also. Suppose you are not available, that day you can create the watch party. You can go for schedule also. But backdate is not possible. Some people started asking question also. Watch party can you do by schedule also? You can schedule do by every day. You can prepare one day, you can schedule by every day up to 6 months. But watch party not accepting for backdate. Is it clear? Your engagement is more important. That is called your schedule post, everything. But we can't do the backdate post. Which one? Watch party. If any asking question, Watch party can you do by schedule? Yes, it you can go for schedule here. See this. How many months total? 6 months. How many months total? 6 months. So now share now and post. So yeah, go back to this page. You can like any kind of comment symbol is very important to your particular post option. It's going to watch party here. So what the purpose are you doing for watch party? To engage your page audience, and you can schedule the watch party with any kind of videos. See this. So this one, you can share this watch party where other page also. Which one? Other page also. This page time, don't forget this one. Select this option, share, share to other page. Click for post. And saying like can change it by where? Group also. So clear? So this is called engagement your other videos on your Facebook page to engage your audience also. That is by reach by your profiles on a particular post. Is it clear? If earning will be your Facebook page, upload by video on your Facebook page. That is view and earnings. But to engage your Facebook page, other Facebook video also. So we can give the tips, health benefits, anything you can post. Depend on your Facebook page. Suppose you are creating for number of pages. Each page will be different pattern is there. So go to your pages. And select your health tips. Suppose you can handling for one by one page purpose. Simple, you can go for Facebook Create a Studio. All Facebook page in one option. That is called. You can open one by one page. Is taking time. Go for simple Facebook Create a Studio. 100 pages or 200 pages you can handle for one option. That is called Facebook Creator Studio. So here also option is called here create post. Which page you want to select? Select your page. It's clear. Watch party. So if you have 100 pages there, I can open 100 page one by one. No need to one by one open. Just open for one option is called Facebook Creator Studio. Now, simple this one. Upload here. Watch party. Some pages are not showing for watch party. The pages also will show by Facebook Creator Studio. Some pages are something happening is that sir, my page not showing for watch party. How can I do it? Go for Facebook Creator Studio. The Facebook Creator Studio they're showing for watch party compulsory. What are the options you hide? The option will be enabled by where? Facebook Creator Studio. So in this one, health tips. Is it clear? So morning you can show by your yoga tip also for other Facebook videos. You can show by here also. Is it clear? This is all. Suppose somebody in going live, you can show your Facebook page. You can show by using watch party option. These are all kind of techniques to engage your Facebook page. Health tips. So see, always you can show on your healthy related health tips. Always don't forget the hashtags. Go back. So you can go back, no issues. They will watch party running for continuously. Okay. What's the benefit of this running for watch party? To engage your page audience. How many people watching? Here, yes, so yes. Is it clear? What are the best one? You can select the create your page and upload on your videos for the Facebook page. This is more important for your particular engage by your Facebook audience using for Facebook page. This option not available by the Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Only option available by Facebook option. Is it clear? Watch party purpose, two reasons. Your views for your video to other Facebook page will run by other groups and other Facebook profile. And second thing is called your Facebook page will be increase your engagement purpose. We can play other Facebook page videos. They're not showing anything the Facebook page name. They're only showing for your page name. Your engagement will be start for like. Is it clear? This is called to engage by the Facebook page, other Facebook page videos.